So in this video short, we're going to take a look at Laserfish Mobile. Now you can get Laserfish Mobile through the iTunes Store or through the Play Store, as you can see here. Do a quick search for the Laserfish app, and we can go ahead and get it installed and downloaded. I've already taken the time to install it. Let me give it a rating here because I really like this app. Okay. Now, we're going to go ahead and open this. Now what you see on the screen here is the same Laserfish folders that we have in the primary viewer. I got a notification here, and I was going to go do my expense report, but since I've got this notification to do this contract, I'm going to go ahead and knock this out real quick. You'll notice that somebody had submitted this request for a draft. It's got all the requester's details and external party details and so on and so forth. So it's my job to build out this contract, and I can do this through my mobile phone. I'm going to add some clauses that came from my legal team, force majeure, and a right to audit. And this is a non-construction professional services agreement. And we'll put a couple of other stipulations in here. Hang on. Lunch for everyone. All right, let's get a couple of workers put in here. Let's start with Jamie. It's the boss. And let me add one more. I have myself here. And I am just a worker. Now, this contract, once it gets completed, actually gets built as a Laserfish Word document in the Laserfish repository. I'm going to go ahead and just generate this draft. I'm not going to put it through any more review process. All right. Now that we've got our contract done through the Laserfish mobile app, I'm going to go ahead and do my expense report. You notice I have a whole library here. I'm going to click on expense report. You notice it's picking up my name and my email and everything automatically. I'll put in my client name and event that I'm going to expense. And again, this is geolocated to a master table, so start typing in your address. And you see that it's pulling up. Let me put in Walker. There we go. Lane. All right. Now the date. Let's go into our expense detail. Date occurred. The amount $70, and purpose was for lunch. And then let me go ahead and get a receipt out here and scan it with my phone. Automatically picks up the receipt. Now we're going to go ahead and do some modification here and change the file size. We'll crop it down a little bit. And let me change it to black and white. Ugly, but still effective, and we'll save it. All right. I'm going to go ahead and compress it to keep the file size down. Let's put in the submission date of 11th. I'm going to go ahead and sign it. My finger. It's not pretty, but it gets the job done. Okay, and then you can change the ink color, whatever, and okay. All right. So now I've submitted my expense report through Laserfish Mobile. Let's go take a look at it through the Laserfish Mobile. So let me back up. We'll go to expense reports. There it is right in front of me. All right, and then less than a minute ago, and where is it? I did a couple of tests first, right? There it is, right? Yeah, there it is. All right, so here we have the receipt that we took a picture of, and this is all stored in the Laserfish repository, of course. And then we have the report for the expense for lunch. All in one nice, neat little package, all done from our mobile phone. All right. So this is the Laserfish mobile app, and it is a pretty powerful application. Take it with you anywhere. You got Laserfish forms, and you got the Laserfish repository right in your hand. All right. Well, thank you for your time and attention, and we hope that you choose the laserfish.